Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cozy English Stories with Shara. Welcome to our quiet space. Today, our topic is letting go.
Hello, hello. I am so happy to be here with you today.
We are so happy you are here too. Today we are exploring our sources to find out how cleaning your physical space gives you mental rest.
Right. It is like a very important topic. People think a mess is just a room problem,
Yeah.
but it is actually a mind problem.
Yes, exactly. So can you tell us about a room that makes you feel tired? 10-second silence.
Oh, wow. Well, my closet, it is very tiring. I have this giant mountain of messy clothes in there. Just sits there like growing.
Wow, a giant mountain.
Yes, a really big mountain. And the clothes are what I call yesterday's stones. They're just heavy rocks from my past weighing me down.
That sounds really heavy.
It is so heavy. I try to throw them away, but my anxious security guard, this feeling in my head says, no, wait, do not do it.
I understand, but your brain is like a continuous scanning machine. Even when you do not touch those clothes, your brain sees them.
Right. It never stops looking.
Yes, and this creates your allostatic load. It is like invisible to-do lists that, steal your energy.
Exactly. It drains your battery, even if you were just sitting there.
So let us fix this visual stress. We will do a visualization together. Please close your eyes. Imagine a very quiet, simple room. It looks like a beautiful, gentle Japanese animation room.
Oh, I love that. Very peaceful.
There are clean wood floors and these white curtains, and there is a gentle breeze blowing them.
Yes. So nice.
You are looking out at the calm blue sea. Now imagine a cool wind comes into the room. It physically blows all the heavy, unneeded objects right out the window. Whoosh, they're gone.
Wow. That feeling is what we call ecological alignment.
Yep.
It is like a tree in autumn safely releasing its dead leaves.
A tree in autumn, yes.
The tree does not hold on to the dead leaves out of fear. It trusts that spring will bring new growth.
That is beautiful. Now let us practice some very important words for this. First word is clutter. C-L-U-T-T-E-R. Clutter, 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 clutter. 15-second silence.
That's great practice.
Next word is tidy. T-I-D-Y. Tidy, 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 tidy. 15-second silence.
Wonderful job.
Next word is donate. D-O-N-A-T-E. Donate, 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 donate. 15-second silence.
You were doing so well.
Last word is let go. L-E-T-G-O. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. 15-second silence.
Okay. Very good practice.
Thank you. But how can our listener actually begin releasing these items? 10-second silence.
You can use the ritual thank you. You hold the item in your hand
Yeah.
and you say, thank you to it.
So we just thank the object.
Yes. This ends the relationship in a good way. You do not feel guilt over the money you wasted. You just learn the lesson and let it go.
I love that so much. So I have a challenge for you today. It is the 10-minute tidy challenge. Pick one corner, spend 10 minutes, thank one object, and then donate it.
That is perfect. Letting go of the past makes room for the now.
Exactly. And think about your computer, too. If a physical shirt is an open tab, what is an actual open computer tab doing to your brain? 10-second silence.
Oh, wow. That is a great question to think about.
Yes, let the cool breeze blow through your hard drive, too. But for now, remember this. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Fill your cup first.